How condensed milk is made in a factory step-by-step process. How is condensed milk made in factory? The production process of condensed milk in a factory is a fascinating blend of science, technology, and tradition. From the moment raw milk arrives at the factory to the final packaged product, each step is carefully controlled to ensure the highest quality condensed milk. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the condensed milk production process, highlighting the key steps and equipment involved. Whether you're a food lover, a dairy enthusiast, or simply curious about how your favorite products are made, join us as we uncover the secrets of condensed milk production. Step 1. Receiving and testing the raw materials. The journey begins with the arrival of fresh raw milk at the factory. The milk is then subjected to rigorous testing to ensure it meets the required standards for quality and safety. Any milk that doesn't meet these standards is rejected and sent back to the farm. Step 2. Pasteurization. Once the milk is deemed fit for use, it is heated to a precise temperature to kill off any harmful bacteria while preserving its nutritional content. This process, known as pasteurization, is crucial for ensuring the safety of the final product. Step 3. Concentration. After pasteurization, the milk is concentrated by removing some of the water. This is achieved by heating the milk under a vacuum to prevent scorching. The concentrated milk is then sent to a holding tank for storage. Step 4. Sugar addition. The next step involves adding the right amount of sugar to the concentrated milk. The type of sugar used is typically white granulated sugar, and the quantity is carefully measured to achieve the desired level of sweetness in the condensed milk. Step 5. Mixing and homogenization. The milk and sugar mixture is thoroughly combined to ensure an even distribution of sugar. This is done through a process called homogenization, which also breaks down the fat globules to prevent them from separating. Step 6. Packaging. The final step is packaging the condensed milk into cans or other containers ready for distribution. The cans are sealed and labeled, and the finished product is ready to be shipped to stores. Throughout the entire process, the temperature is carefully controlled to ensure the safety and quality of the condensed milk. The milk is kept at a low temperature during transportation to prevent bacterial growth, and the factory adheres to strict hygiene standards to prevent contamination. The production process of condensed milk is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers, manufacturers, and distributors who bring this beloved product to our tables. From the testing of raw materials to the final packaged product, each step is carefully controlled to ensure the highest quality condensed milk. So the next time you enjoy a can of condensed milk, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating journey it took to get there. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more informative content.